Nugul settles racing. It was a little slow military order, but he's mustered through now with Golden Redemption. Dark Saffron's going to be caught three deep in the tight group early. He's going to have to work here as well, Connor Beasley. Wraithy was next. Nugul is a clear last. So inside the 950 they travel. Golden Redemption under Richie Mullen leads the way, a narrow margin from Military Order in second, who shades the stablemate. Dark Saffron's going to have to do it the hard way here. He's three deep in a very small field and starts to work through his gears now. It was 3.5 lengths back to Wraithy and the best part of 8 or 9 to Nugul, who's almost out of the contest. Golden Redemption now surrenders the lead here to Military Order, but he's having a think about it here, Military Order, as he made his way to the front and the top of the straight. Dark Saffron comes around them to present his challenge, and he's made up considerable ground very quickly. Dark Saffron goes to Golden Redemption. Third, Military Order not handling it. Wraithy comes past him. Nugul looks to run on. Golden Redemption staving off Dark Saffron here in the late stages. Golden Redemption giving a good kick here from the front. Golden Redemption from back in the field. Nugul flying very, very late. Golden Redemption from Nugul. Look at Nugul. Nugul from back in the field. Wow, some win.